Today in this video, I'm once again with the wonderful Melissa, the Delicious Nutritionist and Health Coach, and today we are going to talk about dealing with stress and the problems of all the headaches of planning your wedding.
Cool, let's do it.
Cool. So in this video, we have got 5 helpful tips to help you deal with stress when planning your wedding day and on the day itself, and also a little bonus tip at the end, so keep watching. So Mel, give us tip number 1 for dealing with stress on your wedding day.
So tip number 1 is, when we're stressed, it's that feeling of being out of control. So get clear on what you can control and what you can't control, and just surrender and let go of the things you can't control.
So for example, the weather, you can't control the weather on the day, you might be able to predict it a little bit, but if it's rainy, I'm sure your photographer or someone like that will be able to have a plan to work around that, and it's just going to be part of your day.
Yeah, absolutely, but you can control the season of when and the day that you want to get married, so.
Okay, so tip number 2 is visualize your day, and visualize your day mentally and run through the whole day as a visual plan, and that way you will be able to fit everything in place mentally and know what's going to happen, where it's going to happen, and taking that further, you can always write that down as a visual plan. And also, by doing this, the things that you imagine, they're more likely to happen as you imagine them.
Yeah, I guess it's a bit like the law of attraction.
Law of attraction. Focusing
on what you want rather than what you don't want. So tip number 3 is to have some phone-free time. So in the day, it's a good way of just putting no distractions. You can set your kind of time limit, and this means that we're not getting bombarded with notifications all the time, which clogs up our unconscious mind and can exaggerate stress that we're feeling. So set some time away from your phone and just have some you time and chill.
And it just helps your subconscious mind just settle and put everything in place.
Yeah, which is why sleep's so important. Yeah, totally.
I like sleep.
Yeah, me too.
So tip number 4 is perception, and how you perceive what's going to happen on your day. If you perceive it as negative, if you think something is going wrong, rather than if you see it as forming the character of your day. So if something does happen that is unexpected, then it's more likely to be something that you're going to talk about afterwards and after the event, and it's going to be really part of your day.
Yeah, I think, just be aware of the meaning you give things. If something goes wrong in your eyes, then just change it to, a positive, and people are going to remember that day. It adds character and in what makes your day special. Perfect's boring, you don't want perfect.
No.
Tip number 5 is to have quality time with your partner. And you were saying before this video that watching TV with your partner isn't quality time, and I always recommend going out in nature, because when we're out in nature and we're breathing in the fresh air, there's something about nature that helps us to relax, and just having that breathing space and time to communicate, because I think communication is key. So yeah, just go for a walk outside.
Don't get all holistic on me.
Yeah. I'm a holistic coach, so
yeah. But yeah, find time just to have that time, whatever it is that you do. If it's going for a walk, which is great, but just that alternative time just to spend with you and your partner. And that way you can talk through ideas, you can talk through all those sort of things, and the more you talk through that, it helps your subconscious mind just deal with everything, and also those practical issues that you just need to talk through.
Yeah, and talking about, saying to your partner, what does a successful wedding look like to you, and what does it look like to me? And because you might have different definitions of what success is, and that can cause conflict. So I think getting clear of, what is your perfect wedding day look like? And I think that's really good for managing expectations.
If you're married, talking is pretty important. I know this,
Yeah. So,
bonus tip is just to enjoy your day, because your day is all about you. It's about spending it with your friends and family, and just chill and go with it and just enjoy the day.
Yeah, enjoy your day.
So thanks for watching. I hope that's given you some hints and tips about dealing with stress on your wedding day, or stress of planning your wedding day. Just remember, once you get everything in place, you can learn to relax, and if you put these tips in place, it will just make your day so much more enjoyable and fun. So thank you, Mel. Your website and your social media and your links are?
Yeah, they're deliciousnutritionist.com, and I'm on, sign up to my YouTube, which is the Delicious Nutritionist.
And check that YouTube channel out, because there's loads of great tips there as well for keeping yourself healthy and enjoying life.
Yeah,
yeah,
enjoying life, yeah.
So thanks for watching. Please click on subscribe if you haven't done it already. Give the video a like if you've enjoyed it, and hopefully we will see you very, very soon. Thank you, Mel.
Thank you for having me. Bye.
Cool. Bye. What is the bonus tip at the end?
Enjoy.
Yeah. And tip number 3 is perception and
Number
how
4.
you...
Sorry, step number 4.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Everything in the right place. That got really convoluted. Yeah. Sorry.
It's right.
There'll be a fight going on in a minute.
It's your video.